In this video, I will show you how to download and install the HP LaserJet M404 printer driver on Windows. Follow these steps. Go to Google Chrome and enter your printer model in the search bar. Select your operating system from the list of available options. Click on the download button next to the driver you want to download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer and double-click on it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. And connect your HP LaserJet M404 printer to your computer using a USB cable or over a network connection. Your printer should now be ready for use with your Windows computer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.